Mashup!
Hi, welcome back to CaptainFishbeard.com. Today we're going to be trying something completely new and really cool. Have you ever seen a mashup? Now, mashup can mean lots of different things in different fields of life, but in this case I'm going to take a drawing of one character and a drawing of another character, and I'm going to mash them up into a whole new character. I'm going to be doing lots of these on the channel, so do stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you can get notified, and here we go. Right, so anyone heard of a little show called Adventure Time? Yeah, it's one of my all-time favourites. I absolutely love Finn and Jake. And those are the two that I'm going to do my first ever mashup on. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's going to go really well because I'm really excited to do more of these. And I want your suggestions, but if you can, put them in the comments or send them to me via the website, tomsparke.com. I really want your suggestions on what to mash up. We can mash up anything at all, any two characters, or even real-life people. We'll do it. It'll be really fun. So I had an idea. I'm going to start with, because Finn's a human, that's kind of boring. Jake's a dog, which is much more exciting. So I think we're going to start with Jake's body. So a really rough shape. This is where our shapes really come in useful. So we're going to draw a little short sausage. Sausages. On here. That looks a bit like Jake's body. Maybe where's a bean. Somewhere around there. But obviously we've got to put some elements of Finn in there as well, right? Let me move this up so you can see it a bit better. So Finn's sort of hood, I'm going to come across a baby here. Let's have him coming up there, and then follow this line up. That's the bit that goes over the top of his head there. And Finn's got that there. Okay, so if we do the face coming through here. Nice, okay, I like the way this is going already. This is going well. And if we had Finn's backpack on like that somewhere. Again, don't worry, these are just rough lines at the moment, so if you're following along, just don't worry where they're going. You'll get it right in the end. Oh, I didn't do an action, so okay, we'll have them just walking. Foot, like that. And another one coming in there, he's strutting. Strutting along. Okay, we're gonna have like a hand. We can do that. So yeah, it's Finn's arm at the top there with the t-shirt, but it's going to be Jake's arm really, because it's going to be extending like this. Like this. This is fun. I can't wait to do more of these. I really want your suggestions on these. Yes, this is coming along actually. It's coming together quite nicely. Should we do Finn's outfit? Okay, should we do Finn's outfit? It's going to have shorts as well, isn't he? So I have shorts coming down like this, and there. And then, do we do Finn's face or Jake's face? Can we do a mix? Okay, I'm going to start doing Finn's face, and maybe we'll put a Jake element in there. The thing about Adventure Time is just they're so expressive. The art of a wonderful artist called Ian McGinty, who's a wonderful artist and a lovely guy, is who did most of the comics. A lot of those there was Ian's. Actually, yeah, no, I like Finn's face in there with Jake's body. This is coming along nicely. I'm liking the way this is going. Okay, let's try some inking. Have we got all the elements in there? I think nearly. I think pretty much. We're almost there, aren't we? Okay, let's put some ink on it. And remember, if you guys follow this, I mean, do have fun. Add your own elements in. You could have done Jake's face instead of Finn's face for that bit there. Really go to town and experiment with these, because they're so much fun to do mashups, and I really want to explore lots of different styles with these as well. Maybe mixing up things that don't normally go together. That sounds like a lot of fun to do. There's lots of different cartoons with lots of different styles of drawing and animation in them, don't they? So we put some really mad things together, I think we can get some really cool results. But yeah, you try your own ones of these. Actually, I'm going to pull that right down because the backpack wouldn't be seen there anyway. Try your own ones of these with all your favourite characters, and let me know what your favourite characters are as well, so I can do some. Because Adventure Time is one of my all-time favourites, so I really wanted to do one of these with Finn and Jake. Hopefully you love it too. Nice. Okay, it's coming nicely. I just want a little bit there, just a little bit of a little bit more detail on the hood here. Should have used a slightly thinner pen for this, but I think. But it's all good. It's all good. It's looking good. You can definitely tell it's Finn and Jake, can't you? Hopefully you can. I do watch it. If you're going to do these, feel free to watch it through and then watch it again and pause it at various times so you can keep up with me. Or if you're going faster than me, you can put on fast forward. You could do that. That's pretty cool, right? Cool. I think I'm going to add a little bit of colour onto this. I don't normally do this. Excuse me while I vacate the situation. Oh no, we need some more colours. Here we go. We got some pens. I was thinking about a little yellow, so we have like, say we've got Jake's arms. Oh, that's a bright yellow. It's not really Jake yellow, is it? But never mind. It's all good. It's just going to look fun anyway. And we'll do this feet coming across there as well. And I think blue for the shorts. It's just blue and blue, isn't he, Finn? So stick that on there. Carry on with yellow in the face as well. I don't think I've got a proper dog colour yellow. Proper Jake colour, but the yellow there will do. Just a bit of green for the backpack, and then I think we'll leave it at that. Let's have a look at this. Light green on the top and then dark green at the bottom. I can't quite remember, but it's my drawing and it's right. That's the beauty when you're making your own art. It's always right, because it was always meant to go that way. Everyone's an artist. That's what we say here at CaptainFishbeard.com. Literally everyone is an artist. I'm going to leave that there. It's my Finn Jake mashup, the very first mashup on CaptainFishbeard.com. Let me know what you'd like me to do next. I love doing these. Hopefully you really like this one. And hopefully I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.